Portland Garage Door. Portland Garage Door is the #1 leading garage door repair and installation company in Portland. We offer the best local service with same-day repairs and warranties offered for every single job. There is no reason to choose anyone else. Call us today at 503-205-6017. We can stop by today to help you out. We also offer many coupons on our website that you can use to save yourself some money. We offer residential, commercial services. We specialize in opener repair, installation and sales. We also offer torsion and extension string repair and installation. Call Portland Garage Door today at 503-205-6017 for the best service in town. Garage door replacement. Garage door repair. Garage door string repair. Garage door opener installation. Call Portland Garage Door today at 503-205-6017.